Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm recreating this look today. I was inspired by Paula, Cassidy, and Han. I'll put the Instagram handles and photos right here. I'm using the 𝘵𝑃erfect and Stacey Marie Carnival XL Pro palette. This palette is absolutely stunning and immaculate. Anyway, starting off with this deep blue shade and packing it roughly all over my outer crease, then blending it out and towards the inner corner.
You know I ain't never really been the type to believe in commitment.
This is the 𝘵𝑃erfect and Stacey Marie Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette. I love this palette too, but I'm going in with the shade Tropics and packing this on my inner corner while blending it using windshield wiper and circular motions, especially making sure to blend where the green and blue meets.
Baby, just lower your tone. Right now I'm not in the mood. We don't speak no more again. Don't go back.
Using this beautiful neon green to blend the previous shade.
No more again. Back to being alone. You know I ain't never really wanna fight. I done made my decision.
Now we're blending the first shade we packed on, which was Mood, and I'm blending it out using Soft Spot.
Out my way. You know I can't go back to arguing. Girl, calm down. Don't come round. Baby, just lower your tone. Right now
I'm deepening up the crease and reinforcing it using the first shade.
we don't speak no more again. Don't go back. I don't sleep no more again.
Going back and blending out Mood using Soft Spot.
Space, I don't throw it in her face. Keep a couple just in case. Shawty, get right out of place. Don't start no sleeping.
I'm pretty much repeating the same steps, going back in to deepen and reinforce Tropics. Just a reminder to blend again, especially where the colors meet.
We don't speak no more again. Don't go back.
Pretty sure you guys get the gist. Just a lot of blending and reinforcing. Trust the process and be patient.
Get back to being alone.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You man, I'm busting these. She looks so good.
All of the brushes that I used previously were blending brushes. Majority of them were on the smaller side, and here I'm using a flat defining brush. I highly recommend going in with the smallest or thinnest brush possible for this step because it can get real messy real quick. Blending that out with a pointed blender brush using Soft Spot. There are many ways you can go about cutting your crease. If I didn't have this, I'd probably go in with a Q-tip and micellar water to clean it up, then use concealer to make the color pop. But I'm using the P. Louise Eye Base in Touch of Frost with a really thin concealer brush to make sure I get that crisp line. I'm taking my time with this and carefully stamping the base on and slowly going up to get my desired shape.
Now you don't believe me when I say I'll change. But how can I lose you now? Whoa, the silence are way too loud. Yeah, 'cause I won't be okay without you every day.
Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. Now I'm going to set that base with the shade Why Though. Love this color. Finally, almost done. Going to blend that out with the very first color we used and make sure that it's seamless. Curling my lashes and using the OG L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, I also went ahead and filled in my waterline with the same base on my lids. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know what other colors you guys would like to see in the comments down below. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and put the post notifications on. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!